Ooh, adding apples. Right, Ty? Let's add the apples. You did 7 plus 8, so count the apples. Oops, try again. 7 apples plus 8 apples equals how many? Now touch the apples and count them.
1, 2, 3,
You gotta touch them.
1,
1,
2,
2,
3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10,
11,
11,
12,
12,
13, 14, 15. Okay, what's your answer? 7, 15, or 1? We don't want to see bunny ears. What's your answer? What's 7 plus 8
Oh
equal?
no!
7 plus 8 equals...
This?
What's that number?
7?
No, 7 plus 8 equals...
Something?
Yes! Hit it and see what happens. Oh, you got money!
Yeah!
Okay, hold on. Do another one. One more.
Oh yeah!
Awesome.
Good boss.
Okay, pick 2 new numbers.
9. What a lot.
Add them up. Oops.
Oops.
You forgot to count them. No, you gotta count them.
1,
Well, now they're all wrapped. Why don't you hit clear and start over? There you go. Start over.
6. The X, Mom.
Yep, 4 plus 6. Now touch them to count them.
1, 2, 3, 3, 4, 5,
6, 7,
7,
8, 9,
9,
10.
10.
Oops, you hit the wrong button. Ooh. Try one more time. Don't get mad. It's okay. You get to try again.
4. Whoa.
Whoa, red and yellow apples? Okay,
Yes.
touch them to count them.
1, 2, 3, 2, 4, 3, 4,
5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11,
12, 14, 15,
13.
14.
See your answer?
Nothing. 5,
No.
20,
Mm-hmm. You got money. Score. You want to go to the piggy bank? Touch on the piggy bank. Ooh. Wow. Is that your score? Great job.
Oh yeah.
Yay.
Whoa.
Whoa, that's a lot of sardines. Hit minus. How many are left?
1.
Turned into an ice cube.
2.
How many?
2.
Nice job. 9 take away 7 equals
2.
That's right. Let's do one more. Okay? Do a big number first. 8. Then what?
What a lot.
That is a lot.
6.
How many are left?
1, 2.
8 minus 6 equals...
2.
You're awesome! Do you like subtracting sardines?
Yeah.
Good job, buddy.
¿Cómo está?